Hello from Amsterdam. Everything got a little bit chaotic before we left, so I didn't do a packing video. Instead, I'm going to show you our wee hotel, which is just in the west of the city. It is called Hotel to Stay. It's like a cheap little apartment type place that we found on booking.com. We use booking.com for like pretty much everything we do, just because it's just really straightforward. But yeah. That's where we found it. It was like 200 and something pounds for 5 nights, I think it is. So yeah, bargain. Plus having an apartment type thing where you've got like a cooker and a fridge and all of that lot, it means that we can go food shopping and we can save ourselves a bit of money there. Because while it is nice to eat out all the time, I miss cooking for a start. Two, I tend to find it a little bit rich if I'm like eating out every single meal. It saves us a bit of money. It means that we can eat exactly what we want. And yeah, it's just quite nice to be able to have breakfast in the morning without having to like leave the hotel. So this is the hotel and it's really lovely. Like it's so white and clean and beautiful. And yeah, I'm really liking this place, and I'm going to be remembering it for next time we come this way because it's so lovely. You've got like a cooker, microwave, fridge, which are like big things for us. You've got like the huge bathroom with the shower. You've got, bed, somewhere to sit, a table as well. It's just really nice to have a table to sit at and have breakfast, like have some dinner together, even just sit and read. So yeah, really happy with the room. So let's move on in a second, once I've kind of opened some cupboard doors, to show you what I have brought with me. So I actually filled my cancan with quite a lot this time, which is really unlike me. However, I did kind of get to the point of I'm too busy, I don't care, I just need to put some stuff in a bag and just get going because I just can't deal with this anymore. So while I somehow managed to pack my bag with quite a lot, it's also not got that much in it. Also, I'm kind of planning for other things, like, unfortunately there is the kind of virus outbreak at the moment, so everyone's going to be a bit jumpy at the airport, so I packed some extra things for that. Brexit. Oh, the joys of Brexit. I packed some extra things for that because I was expecting, queues and stuff, so yeah, it's just been an interesting one this time. So, good old trusty cancan. A little book, Edgar Allan Poe. I was expecting to read that in the queue for the passport because I thought it would take forever. But actually, it was super quick and I didn't even take it out of my bag. I've got wet wipes for wiping hands on the plane and in the airport because, sometimes it just doesn't feel that clean. Multivitamins in a Juice by Nature jar. Juice by Nature is in Amsterdam, so we've taken multivitamins with us just to try and kind of boost our immunity a little bit more, again with this whole virus thing, just trying to kind of give ourselves like the best opportunity to not get anything, be it coronavirus, which I do not expect it to be, or just a cold, which is far more likely. So yeah, I've got alcohol hand gel because, just in case we needed it or we felt we needed it. Toothpaste in a plastic bloody bag. I didn't put it in a bag. I just put it straight in the tray and they put it in a bag anyway, which is so frustrating. It's like, seriously, it's 2 things. Can you not let it pass without a plastic bag? The answer is no. I already had a plastic bag in my bag which had like grapes in it. Nope, couldn't have been that one either. So yeah, I've now got 2 plastic bags with me, which I'm going to be reusing, which they might come in a bit handy with this. So this is my toiletries bag. I've got a face cloth which I've wrapped around the solid shampoo, which is slowly disintegrating. So that's our shampoo. We've also got a bar of soap that we picked up in London. Sod's law, whenever we don't take stuff with us, the stuff in the hotel is like plastic and it's disgusting. The stuff here is really good and it's refillable. So there we go. We've got some toothbrushes, some of the solid deodorant, which I find really handy. I've got like this little bag tidy. It's kind of hard to see because it's a black thing inside a black bag. But inside that little tidy thing, I've got, you know, like lip balm, headache tablets, a coin purse, some cash. Yeah, odds and ends, really. It just makes, like, when I'm wandering around with a tote bag, it just makes life a little bit easier because it gives it like a solid base so you can kind of balance things in it without them kind of tipping over, which is really, really handy. More tablets because, you know, giggles. This is my favourite tote bag at the moment. It's starting to get holes in it, which is like really upsetting, but this is my favourite tote bag. And there is a little pin that Leo got me, soy before boys. You know, what other way is there to live life other than bake cake? But anyway, a pencil, a spoon, chopsticks, a pen. This is all just like random stuff. It will get used. So for example, when we got here, we went to Mao's, which is the falafel place. And while they have started doing paper bowls, they still do plastic spoons. So I've got my chopsticks and my spoon, so I don't need to use plastic. So while there is going to be stuff that we can't avoid, I am still trying to kind of cut it back. Now, normally I don't bother bringing a book, so let alone 3 books. So I've got Edgar Allan Poe, I've got the book that I'm halfway through at the moment, and I've also got a new one because I expect us to spend a lot of time sitting in cafes, not coffee shops, cafes, drinking coffee, and just having a relaxed time. So yeah, that's why I've got 3 books. On to the clothes. Now, all of this black stuff that's coming out, I have brought with me 1 spare pair of leggings, 1 spare vest, 1 spare top, 2 pairs of pants, and 2 pairs of socks. That is it. For the flight, I wore a pair of leggings and a pair of harem pants, a vest, and a top. So I have like spares of everything. We are in an apartment hotel. While we do not have a washing machine, we do have radiators and things, so we can wash things and have them dry by the next morning. So yeah, why take more than I need? Exactly. I'm not going to. What else have I got? My laptop. I'm not taking my laptop with me for a little while actually because it is quite heavy and quite clunky. But yeah, I brought my laptop so that I can do videos and post them and you can get them in relatively real time. So there we go. That was my packing. Oh, and my reusable coffee cup. Simple. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have subscribed, thank you very much for doing so. Head on over to Patreon if you want to give us some support. But most of all, thank you for watching and I will see you again soon. Bye!